We're gonna be making our own homemade marshmallow fondant. The ingredients are listed on the description box below. We're gonna start with a mini marshmallow. We're gonna put them on our previously greased bowl, and this should be microwavable. This is 16 ounces of marshmallow, and we're gonna add the water. We're gonna pop it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna start combining it with our grease spatula. We're gonna give it another 30 seconds in the microwave. Let's stir the marshmallow. As you can see, they're melting already. We're gonna pop it into the microwave one more time for again 30 seconds, and it should be ready. They are completely melted, and we're gonna put them to the side. I'm gonna add some drops of color into my light corn syrup. We're gonna stir it, and we're gonna put this mix into our melted marshmallows. Keep on mixing until we get an even color. It takes about a minute and 30 seconds of mixing, and then we're gonna start adding the powdered sugar. We're gonna start with half, and we're gonna continue adding more sugar until we can no longer mix this together with our spatula. Now we're gonna transfer it to our table, and the table needs to be coated with some shortening. Also your hands, because we're gonna start kneading this fondant. Add some more powdered sugar and start kneading. If the fondant is sticking to your hands, just add some more shortening, and that should take care of it. Repeat this process until your fondant is ready, and the way to know that it's ready is when it doesn't stick to your fingers that much. And also you can make a smooth ball with the fondant. We're gonna apply a coat of shortening to the fondant, and then we're gonna cover it with plastic for about an hour before we use it. And that's it. Now you have your homemade marshmallow fondant. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one every week. You can find more recipes and tutorials on the website and on our Facebook group. Thank you, and I will see you next time.